All right, this is a chessboard I made out of recycled bottles and cups and concrete. Okay, this sucker weighs about 86 pounds. It's a little bit more, but I wanted to be conservative. So yeah, I wouldn't try to carry this all at one time. The standard weight of a heavyweight chess set is about 4 pounds for all the parts together. So my students, they saw this finally today. I've been trying to work on it, and all the pieces are made similar to that, where you pour in concrete using a funnel. But yeah, I'll make a video of how I make it later. And you mix some concrete, and you can for $10 or less create a chess set like this using recycled goods. So yeah,